Previously.
Guys, ito abangan nyo yung vlog natin about Shangri-La sa atin, Shangri-La EDSA. Ganito siya. Kwento ko na lang kasi natapos na yun eh. Kumbaga parang after Hong Kong, yun yung bala kong i-upload. So yung Shangri-La guys, sabihan ko na gusto kayo in advance. Mapapansin nyo doon, puro voiceover tayo. Voiceover kasi bawal daw mag-video sa loob ng hotel. At syempre sa labas na rin. Kasi nag-start ako mag-vlog. May sumita sa akin sa labas. Sabi niya kung may permit daw ba ako for doing videos, getting videos of the facilities. Sabi ko, naka-check-in ako, naka-check-in kami. Sabi niya daw, kailangan ko daw ng permit. Sabi ko, bakit? Ang weird lang kasi ang dami ko nakikitang mga sa YouTube, di ba? Sa TikTok na they're free to take videos ng facilities, ng labas, ng anything around the hotel. So, ang ginawa ko, tinigil ko. Pero, minsan pag may chance, talagang kumukuha ka ng video. Hindi naman ako sasalita. And then, nag-check ako sa reception. Sabi ko, ate, pwede bang, I asked naman, nicely naman, syempre. Mag-a-adjust naman tayo, di ba? Dapat tayo mag-adjust. So, anyway, I asked nicely naman if pwede bang kumuha ng videos, and then so on and so on. Tapos sabi, hindi daw, kailangan mag-ask daw ng permission ahead of time. Sabi ko, ang weird. Ang weird paano yung mga nagtitake ng pictures, nagtitake ng videos na parang, same lang din naman ang ginagawa ko. Like, parang gusto ko lang magpakita ng slideshow without talking. Same lang din naman nakikita ko sa mga tao doon na parang nagpapapicture sa lobby, nagbe-video sa hagdan. Diba? Ang weird. That's the weird part. Yun yung pangit eh. Nag-i-implement kayo ng isang rules na hindi nyo pinag-iisipan. Yung parang may masabi lang. I know na baka for security and for privacy. Pero guys, during that time, ang daming picture kasi kakatapos ng kumain, kakatapos ng mag-bar, mag-cafe. Wala man nagbabawal. Tapos ako, sino pa yung nagpaalam? Bawal daw. Nakaka-disappoint staying in Shangri-La. They're not implementing the rules for privacy. No. Alam ko yung mga nag-i-stay doon, like baka VIP or talaga mga politicians and so on. Pero yung sabihin mong bawal, pero ang dami ko na nakita sa YouTube, ang dami ko na nakita sa TikTok, di ba? Kung sino pa yung nagpaalam, siya pa yung hindi pinayagan. Sana pala hindi na ako nagpaalam. Tapos nag-take na lang ako ng video. So anyway, ganoon ang ginawa ko. Pasimple pa rin. Basta, ayun yung pangit. Nag-i-implement sila ng rules na hindi pinag-iisipan. Shangri-La management. Duh. So anyway, pag napansin nyo yung vlog natin, ngayon pa lang sabihin ko na watch the video after this Hong Kong and Macau vlog. And then, wala, thumbs down. But nag-stay kami sa isang floor, yung parang exclusive. And then for Horizon Club, guys, yung mga staff doon, ang babae, kudos to them. Yung mismo talagang nasa lang. Kung sino pa yung wala sa Horizon, yung pa yung mga ewan. Pero doon sa Horizon, pwede mag-video. Para siyang VIP lounge. Though I respect your rules, kaya nga hindi na ako nag-vlog. So nag-video na lang ako, same as what the others doing. Pero yun lang, yun yung moment na, or yun yung experience ko na hindi ko na babalikan. Ayoko na mag-stay ulit doon. What's up everyone, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, we are going for another hotel staycation and we are going to stay for 3 days and 2 nights. Dito lang yan sa EDSA Shangri-La Hotel. And of course guys, kapag may hotel staycation tayo, hindi pwedeng walang hotel tour and room tour. And kasama na dyan ang ating review and honest feedback about our experience during our stay. So without further ado, let's start the tour. So guys, EDSA Shangri-La Hotel is located in Mandaluyong City. Halos katabi lang siya ng SM Mega Mall. And this hotel has a direct access going to Shangri-La Plaza that has a direct access going to MRT station. And to all of our friends abroad, if you're planning to stay in EDSA Shangri-La Hotel, it is 40 minutes away from the airport and you can book an airport transfer directly to the hotel, and I think it would cost you around 3,500 pesos. Ang standard check-in dito guys ay 2 p.m. at ang standard checkout naman ay 12 p.m. And guys, for guests who prefer to drive or if you are going to bring your own car, it's Shangri-La Hotel offers a valet parking and a car park on site. So you have a lot of parking spaces at the basement floor. Here on the ground floor, they have the lobby and the reception area. They have the Cubs and Cubbies or the kids play area. Meron ding outdoor pool, pastry shops, gift shops, health club if you want to experience their sauna and steam room, and gym. Wait lang guys, so before I forget, I just need to do some disclaimer. So the entire hotel tour natin guys, kung mapapansin nyo, naka voiceover lang tayo. Gusto ko lang ikwento. So nung nag-start ako mag-video dito guys, during our first day sa EDSA Shangri-La Hotel, someone from their staff or the security guard approached me and told me na bawal mag-video or mag-vlog around the area, which is sa mismong hotel and EDSA Shangri-La Mall. Morning.
Saan po?
Ha?
Para saan po?
Mag-vlog. Nakastay ako dyan.
Nakastay ka po? Alam.
Maraming sa vlog.
Payag ka talaga na i-video yung morning hotel.
Ano po ito ka?
Kaya ka-vlog mo.
Ako.
Nasa dito ang privacy nila. May permit.
Pag sa loob. Kahit dito sa loob.
Kasi sa mall sa amin dun sa kabila, pagka
Bawal?
mag-vlog sir, kailangan may permit muna sa...
Okay. Sige. Thank you, Kuya.
sarap.
I was shocked. Kesyo, more on data privacy or I just need an approval from the management before I start doing a vlog or I start doing a video. Ang nangyari lang, medyo na-disappoint ako kasi nga may ganong policy na I'm not aware of. Hindi naman ako talaga totally na mag-vlog. I just need to capture some clip, di ba? So dahil sa policy na yun guys, what I did was, syempre kailangan natin mag-isip agad, di ba? Isip lang tayo ng kailangan natin mag-isip agad. Nag-take on a video without talking, so para masabing hindi siya vlog, di ba? So ganun lang ginawa ko. So that's actually the reason why kung mapapansin nyo, the entire video na naka-voiceover lang tayo. So anyway, ang mahalaga naman is ma-share ko sa inyo yung experience natin and mapakita ko sa inyo kung anong meron dito sa EDSA Shangri-La Hotel.
Meanwhile,
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa room natin. We are located on the 14th floor. So nasa likod tayo guys ng pintuan. And again, kung mag-stay kayo kahit saang hotel or kahit saang place, you should familiarize yourselves sa nearest emergency exit or any evacuation plan just in case there's an emergency. On my left side, ito ang kanilang bathroom. So sobrang ganda guys ng lighting. Diba? So this is the sink, vanity sink. And then, of course, hindi mawawala ang mga toiletries. Like may toothbrush, may razor, may soap, shampoo, may lotion, may conditioner. Ayan, libre na yan guys sa isang hotel. And you can bring this home kung ayaw nyo gamitin. Yan. Ito lang yung mga things na pwede nyo iuwi guys pag nag-hotel staycation kayo. Towels, may hamper, merong tissue of course. Tapos dito, ang kanilang shower with, of course, bathtub. So, siya kayo maliligo, may mga towels, sorry for the used clothes, naligo kasi kami. And ang kanilang toilet. Wala nga lang siyang bidet. Tapos, kanina ko pa siya check, meron pala ditong how to use, pero hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Hindi ko na binasa. Sorry po. Doon talaga nakafocus, di ba? So, ayan. So, meron ditong, I'm not sure. Ito may nakita kong switch dito. Tapos, wait. Oh no, nabasa ako. Yun pala siya. So, yung nozzle. Okay. O, diba? Lakas makasosyal. Pag-earth na, ayan. Rear wash, twist for bidet. Okay. Gets. Okay, so this is for the bathroom again. There. See? Saktong-sakto naman siya. And so this is the final look for the bathroom. On my right side naman guys, itong kanilang cabinet. So meron dyan guys extra pillow and merong extra blanket. Tapos may mga hangers, may bathrobes, tapos may safety deposit box, merong laundry bag, empty drawers, tapos may mga slippers dyan kanina. Ginamit na kasi namin. And on this other cabinet, beside it, merong iron, may plansyan, merong iron board. Meron ditong mirror, may mini bar. Ayan, ito yung mga complimentary water. You can request as many as you want. May coffee capsule, tapos espresso, and kettle. Tapos dito naman, sa cabinet nila, dried mango, pero may bayad yan. Nandito ang mga price list. Oops. Ayan. So make sure na you are aware kung ano yung mga libre at hindi. Para naman hindi kayo magulat pag check out nyo yung mga charge. Dito guys, ang kanilang mga glass, may mugs, tapos libreng tea, coffee, creamer, and mga teas, sugar, and creamer. And dito sa ilalim, ang kanilang mini fridge. Ayan. So katulad yan guys, yung mga yan, may bayad yan, mga soft drink, mga sodas, may bayad. Tapos yan, sa amin yan. Then may complimentary cake. Alright, so after that, dito sa side na to, merong area for the luggage and bags. Merong TV. Tapos may work table, which is nice. Really nice. Tapos puro empty drawers. And then my side table, my couch. And of course, the king size bed. So this is the view here on this side. So king size bed siya guys. So we are actually on a deluxe king room, garden wing ng Horizon Club. So this is the view of course. Look at the picture window, di ba? And your view is the garden and the swimming pool. Tapos this is the view guys ng room. Sobrang ganda guys. Sobrang luwag. Kasya 3. Knowing na si Ed sa Shangri-La Hotel ay matagal ng hotel. Pero when you go inside and even outside guys, the hotel, the exterior, the interiors looks stunning and amazing. And wala kang makikitang kalat kahit sa mga public areas nila guys. Sobrang linis. Tapos, you feel secure. Tapos sa room, wala akong masabi guys. Sobrang linis. Pero yun nga lang, siguro konti lang na hindi naman makaka-affect sa review natin. Gusto ko lang kasi maamoy yung parang sinasabi nila na, di ba may mga perfume na binibenta, parang yung scent is Shangri-La. Hindi ko sure kung naamoy ko yun dito, na parang Shangri-La scent. Parang gano'n. So anyway, hindi ko na siguro alam yung amoy ng Shangri-La perfume na yun. For the facilities guys, they have tennis court, they have gym, they have sauna guys, and steam. Meron din silang cold lounge pool and jacuzzi. Yung mga facilities na i-expect mo in a 5-star hotel, I think EDSA Shangri-La Hotel has it all. Even the connecting bridge guys going to EDSA Shangri-La Plaza is a plus. Expect nyo na mahal magstay dito. And good thing guys, yung ating credit card na Citibank ay nagkaroon ng promo. 50% off yung stay ninyo. And just in case hindi kayo aware guys, unfortunately, Citibank has been migrated now to Union Bank, and I'm hoping na magkaroon ulit ng mga ganitong klaseng promos soon kay Union Bank. So I took the opportunity guys na kumuha ng rooms and take advantage na rin dun sa promo ng Citibank credit card natin. So ang ginawa ko is nag-book ako for 2 nights. Ang binook ko ay yung kanilang deluxe room with breakfast, good for 2 adults and 1 kid. So yan. And syempre ang ginagawa ko guys kapag nag-hotel staycation ako or kung gusto kong pumunta sa isang lugar, nanonood ako ng mga videos sa YouTube and napansin ko na meron silang parang executive lounge na tinatawag dito, which is yung Horizon Club. And they gave me an option na mag-upgrade from the regular room sa Horizon Club with an additional fee of course. So guys, share ko na lang din sa inyo kung magkano yung mga room rates nila dito for 1 day, good for 2 adults and 2 kids or 1 kid. So meron silang tower wing, deluxe twin or king bed, and meron silang tower wing premier room na tinatawag. Meron silang tower wing executive room, meron silang garden wing Horizon Deluxe Room King, which is yun yung option na tinig natin. So again guys, yung room natin, nakuha natin siya because of the credit card promo. Lumalabas na 50% off. So kumuha ko ng 2 voucher, equivalent to 2 night stay dito sa EDSA Shangri-La Hotel. So ang total niya guys ay lumalabas lang na 13,500 for 2 nights. So guys, ang madalas ko kasing ginagawa, nanonood ako ng mga vlog, nanonood ako ng mga videos kapag may pupuntahan akong lugar or pupuntahan akong hotel para naman magkaroon ako ng idea agad prior, di ba, sa stay natin. And napanood ko guys, meron silang tinatawag na executive lounge or yung Horizon Club. So I emailed their reservation office. Tapos nagtanong ako about the Horizon Club. They gave me an option to upgrade my room to a Horizon Club room. So syempre guys, for the experience, I grabbed the option. So itong Horizon Club guys, I will give you the experience of a luxurious feel with a 5-star service. Lakas baka VIP guys ng Horizon Club nila. So meron kayong dedicated floor, and dun sa floor na yun guys, dito sa floor na to, which is nandito ako actually, nandun na rin yung kanilang lounge na merong siniserve na breakfast, merong siniserve na afternoon tea for families, and meron ding cocktails and canopies for adults. So guys, explain ko lang na yung Horizon Club nila is from 6 AM to 12 midnight, located here sa 14th floor kung nasaan yung mga Horizon Club rooms din. So hindi mo na kailangang umakyat or bumaba. Mismong same floor guys, labas ka lang, tapos kung gusto mo mag all day refreshment, mag breakfast, meron ding afternoon tea, meron ding cocktail and canopies. Meron silang complimentary breakfast buffet between 6 AM to 10:30 AM, or you have the option na i-take yung breakfast niyo sa Kit Restaurant. Tapos meron ding complimentary high tea time buffet ng 2 to 4 PM, complimentary evening cocktail ng 5 PM to 7 PM. So from Monday to Friday, meron silang cocktails and canopies from 5 PM to 7 PM. Pero kapag may Saturday and Sunday guys, aside from the breakfast buffet, meron din silang cocktails for families with children around 3 PM to 4:30 PM. Tapos meron silang cocktails and canopies for adults only from 5 PM to 7 PM. And meron pa lang complimentary use of meeting rooms after 2 hours, syempre subject to availability, and late checkout guys 4 PM, and again subject to availability. Alright guys, since nasa Horizon Club tayo, this is a must. I-try nyo yung Horizon Club guys. Sobrang ganda ng service nila. I'm just talking about the service kasi na-envy ako dun sa yung sa may policy silang ek-ek. Pero dito guys kasi sa Horizon Club, they allowed me. So, diba, nakaka-happy. Super VIP ka. Wala akong masabi. Kudos and good job guys sa Horizon Club team. Kahit dun sa mga naglilinis ng room, pag may mga request ka, talagang hinahatid bigla, hinahatid agad-agad. Wala akong masabi. Pero yung mga staff na hindi sa akin nag-allow mag-video, mag-vlog, well, siguro sumusunod lang sila sa management, pero lakas makauso nang hindi pinag-iisipan yung policy or rules. Pwede naman kasing i-blur ko yung mga tao, kung mag-video ako, yung mga ganun. Pero in fairness naman, they talk to me in a nice way. No hard feelings. So yun lang guys, sobrang nice ng experience natin dito sa hotel. If tatanungin nyo ako kung babalik ba ako, siguro pwedeng bumalik, pero I would rather book a hotel with executive lounge as well. Sa ibang hotel naman, para makapag-vlog tayo. So yun lang guys, I hope na-enjoy nyo ang ating tour. I hope din guys na sana makapag-stay kayo dito and ma-experience nyo rin kung ano yung na-experience ko. I highly recommend this hotel kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng VIP treatment na hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas ng mall kasi nandito na lahat. I mean, hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas ng hotel kasi nandito na lahat. Horizon Club is the key. And again, syempre, kung first time mo sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para update kayo sa mga upcoming vlogs natin. Thank you and see you on my next vlog.